Hello everyone, my name is Manvi Sinha and I study in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. My USN is 1VE23IS028 and my subject name is Introduction to Python Programming and its code is BPLCK205P and my today's topic is directory operations. In this video, we will learn about directory operations in Python, including how to navigate directories, create new directories, list directory contents, and perform other useful operations. By the end of this video, we will have a solid understanding of how to work with directories in Python. Directory operation plays a crucial role in Python for several reasons. Introduction to directory operations. Directory operations in Python empower developers to manage files and directories effectively, organize projects efficiently, automate tasks, and streamline file-related operations, contributing to the development of robust and scalable software solutions. Certainly, here is a demonstration of navigating directories using Python's OS module. Import OS. Current directory os.getcwd. os.chdr. Path to new directory. Print changed directly to os.getcwd. os.chdr. Print moved up one directory to os.getcwd. os.chdr. Subdirectory name. Print moved down into subdirectory os.getcwd. This code demonstrates how to get the current working directory using os.getcwd. Change the current working directory using os.chdr. Move up one directory in the directory tree by specifying double dot as the argument to os.chdr. Move down into a subdirectory by specifying the directory's name as the argument to os.chdr. Here is an illustration of creating a new directories in Python, both for creating a single directory and creating multiple directories at once using the OS module. Import OS. os.mkdir new directory. Print single directory created. Directories dir1, dir2, dir3. For directory in directories, os.mkdir directory. Print multiple directories created, directories. This code demonstrates how to create a single directory using os.mkdir. Create multiple directories at once by iterating over a list of directory names and using os.mkdir within a loop. Here is how you can list the contents of a directory in Python and then differentiate between files, directories, or listing both. Import OS. Directory path, path to directory. Files, F for F in os.listdir directory path. If os.path is file, os.path.join directory path F. Print files in the directory. For file in files, print file. Directories equal D for D in os.listdir directory path. If os.path is dir, os.path.join directory path D. Print directories in the directory. For directory in directories, print directory. Contents equal os.listdir directory path. Print contents of the directory. For item in contents, print item. List all files in a directory using a list comprehension with os.listdir and os.path.isfile. List all directories in a directory using a similar list comprehension with os.path.isdir. List both files and directories in a directory using os.listdir directory. Checking if a directory exists. First, using os.path.exist. Import os, directory path, path to directory. If os.path.exist, directory path, print directory exists, else print directory does not exist. Second, using os.path.isdir. Import os, directory path, path to directory. If os.path.isdir, directory path, print directory exists, else print directory does not exist. Third, using a try expect block with os.listdir. Import os, directory path, path to directory. Try os.listdir, directory path, print directory exists, except file not found error. Print directory does not exist. All of these methods achieve the same result of checking whether a directory exists before performing operations on it. You can choose the method that best fits your coding style and requirements. Here are some real-world examples of how directory operations can be used in Python scripts. First, organizing files. Script for organizing downloaded files into categorized directories based on file type. Example, images, documents, videos. Automation script to organize photos by date into subdirectories. Example, year, month, day for easier management. Second, batch processing. Script for batch remaining files in a directory according to a specific naming convention. Automation script for resizing and compressing images in a directory to optimize storage space. Third, managing project structures. Script for initializing a new project directory structure with predefined folders. Example, src, tests, docs. Automation script to update file paths in project file. Example, code files, configuration files, when the project directory structure changes. Fourth, backup and synchronization. Script for creating regular backups of important files and directories to an external storage device or cloud storage. Automation script to synchronize files and directories between multiple locations. Example, local machine and remote server to ensure consistency. Fifth, data processing and analysis. Script for processing data files stored in different directories and consolidating the results into a single output file. Automation script to analyze log files generated by multiple servers and generate reports, summarized key matrices. These examples demonstrate how directory operations in Python can be applied to various scenarios, ranging from the organization and batch processing to project management and data analysis, enhancing efficiency and productivity in software development and data management workflows. This video covered essential aspects of directory operations in Python. It highlighted the importance of directory operations in Python programming for file management, batch processing, project organization, and automation. Demonstrated how to change the current working directory, get the current working directory, and move up or down the directory tree using the OS module. Illustrated how to create single and multiple directories using the OS module. Showcased how to list files, directories, or both within a directory using os.listdir and conditional checks. Provided real-world examples of how directory operations can be applied, including file organization, batch processing, managing project structures, backup and synchronization, and data processing and analysis.